Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this smoky festive makeup look, perfect for any holiday party, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So starting off, I'm going to be grabbing my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this bottom orange shade and start placing that in my crease, and this is going to work as our transitional shade. Then taking this like kind of pinky coral shade, I'm going to place that in my crease as well and pulling it outwards. Now taking this purpley violet shade, I'm going to place that just in my crease without placing it anywhere else. So just focusing it directly inside the crease. And then taking this plum purple shade and then placing it just on the outer V of my eye. Next, I'll be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I know, surprise, surprise. This is my favorite go-to concealer. And I'm going to start creating a cut crease on my eye and then blending it out with my finger. And then going in with the same brush that we used for that violet purple shade, I'm just going to blend out the concealer. Now I'm going to take the top cranberry shade and place that in the middle of my eye. And then grabbing that rose gold, I'm going to take a more detailed brush and place that all around my eyelid. Now it wouldn't be a festive look if there wasn't any glitter, so I'm going to be taking my glitter adhesive from ABH, and then I'm going to be grabbing my Star Power glitter and using that same detailed brush. I'm just going to start placing that just on the inner part of my eyelid. Now to make the look more detailed, I just took some black eyeshadow and smoked out my lash line, but this is totally optional. And then for eyeliner, I used the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner. After doing a final blend, I just popped on my Lilly lashes in the style Hollywood. Moving on to the face, I'm going to obviously start off with primer, and I still can't find my full-size ProFiltr primer. I don't know where it went, so we're still using the sample size. I wanted my foundation to last as long as possible, so I decided to use my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. I almost said concealer. And this is in the shade Natural, and it's definitely a dupe for the Makeup Forever HD foundation. To highlight and contour, I decided to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealers. These are full coverage concealers. The shade I used to highlight was C2 and the shade to contour was C13. This was the first time I was using these concealers from Makeup Revolution, and the reason I got them is because I saw a lot of people online were saying that it was a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape and a much more affordable dupe because these concealers are only $6 at Ulta. So I really liked the way they applied, and they were definitely very full coverage and pigmented. Now, I do want my foundation and my concealer to last as long as possible, so I will be baking, and to bake, I used my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This is just a translucent powder, so taking my beauty blender and pressing that underneath my eye, the sides of my nose to clean up my contour on my chin, as well as my forehead. Moving back to my eyes, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line, and first I'm going to start with the orange shade from the Ruby Obsessions palette. Now taking a flat definer brush, I'm going to take that purple violet shade and start smoking out my lower lash line. For mascara today, I decided to grab my Dior Iconic Overcurl mascara. And as always, I'll be taking my Urban Decay Zero Glide On Eye Pencil and start tightlining my eyes. To bronze up the face, I used the Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and then for blush, I took my Sigma blush palette, and I took the shade Cor de Rosa and just placed that on the apples of my cheeks as well as my nose a little bit. After spritzing some of the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, did I just say spritzing? I'm going to be taking my Laura Geller Baked Illuminated Highlighter. This is in the shade Gilded Honey, and I'm going to start placing that on the high points of my cheeks as well as like my chin, my temples, my nose, anywhere you want to highlight, you just highlight. For the lips, I started off with the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade Oh Snap. This is one of my favorite nude colors of life. And then for lipstick, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution, and this one is in the shade Bond Girl. To top everything off, I decided to use my FentyBeauty Gloss Bomb Diamond Milk Lip Gloss. And obviously, if you want your makeup to last as long as possible, you want to set it with some sort of setting spray. So here I have the Morphe Continuing Setting Spray. So this is the final result. I really love the way this look came out. I wanted to do something that was very festive and glam, yet simple and have simple steps. So I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, definitely leave a like and drop a comment and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching.